proof that he is actually really mean. He was biting me a second ago for no apparent reason. Now he's like, there he goes. Oh, now he's starting in on me. Maybe it's just a gene thing where he thinks like biting and hating and, you know, massacring people is a way of showing affection. Whoa. Okay, now I'm all jumpy. There he goes, son of a bitch. Ow. Fucker. He's being a little mean. He's getting pissed because I took his catnip away from him. Yeah, now he's back to normal. He's still really whiny right now, but now he's just really pissed. Hey, Socks, you wanna be my buddy again? Here. Yeah, there you go. You little shit. Okay, I mean it. I'm going to bed. This is pissing him off. His eyes look really huge, which it kind of makes me laugh. He's a two-faced prick. Wheezy. He has a personality of a kitten. And the bipolar Siamese cat that weighs like 20 pounds or some shit. Well, good night, retard. Say good night to YouTube. Yeah, he said good night. Fucker.